Jai Gurudev students, in the previous part we had completed first three problems of exercise 4.3. Let's see the fourth problem. The sum of reciprocals of Raymond's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Now what we had to do here? We had to consider the present age of Raymond's bx years. 3 years ago age of Rahman will be x minus 3 because 3 years ago his age will be less than the x, means x minus 3 years. 5 years from now age of Rahman will be x plus 5 years. Now what they had given there, according to the given condition, 3 years ago, reciprocal of 3 years ago Rahman's age plus after 3 years reciprocal of Raymond's age after 5 years is equal to 1 by 3. Now here we have to take 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Here we have to solve these addition. What we have to do here? We have to find the LCM of this denominator, and LCM of this denominator is a multiplication. So x minus 3, x plus 5 is LCM. We will do the cross multiplication. 1 into x plus 5 is x plus 5. Here plus sign is there, that's why plus. 1 into x minus 3 is x minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to solve this bracket. X plus x means 2x and plus 5 minus 3 means plus 2. Here downside is a multiplication, means we will multiply this bracket by x and again same bracket by minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2 we will keep as it is. Then we have to multiply x into x is x square, x into 5 is plus 5x, minus 3 into x is minus 3x, minus 3 into plus 5 is a minus 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2 upon x square plus 5x minus 3x means plus 2x minus 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now we will do the cross multiplication, means this equation we will multiply by 1, means x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6x plus 6. Now we have to this we are finding here, this is a quadratic equation, means right hand side we want 0. So whatever the right hand side terms are there, that we have to shift to the left hand side. X square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now x square is as it is, plus 2x minus 6x is minus 4x, minus 15 minus 6 is a minus 21, which is equal to 0. X square. Now are you finding this is a quadratic equation? Now we want minus 4 is a sum and minus 21 is a product. Mean one term should be positive and one term should be negative. 7 3s are 21, but minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. That's why we will split up minus 4x is minus 7x plus 3x. Now we will do the next step, grouping. X square minus 7x in the first group, this is a plus, that's why we will write as it is 3x minus 21, which is equal to 0. Now are you finding from these bracket x is a common? What is left? X minus 7 plus here is a 3x and 27 is divisible by 3, that's why 3 is a common. X minus 3 7s are 21, which is equal to 0. Again these are the two terms, this is the first and this is second. Out of this x minus 7 is a common. So x minus 7 in one bracket and x minus x plus 3 in another bracket, which is equal to 0. These are the two factors of the polynomial. Now we will equate these factors with which is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0, because we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. But everyone know very well that age never be negative. That's why we have to neglect this x is equal to minus 3, because age never be negative. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. Next, fifth problem. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is a 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Now what they had given in the problem? That sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. Means the sum of the 2 subject is Shefali's marks in 2 subject is 30. So what we will consider? Sum of Shefali's marks in the maths and English is 30. Let Shefali's marks in the maths be x. We can consider maths also or English also. I have taken as a first in the maths is a x. Then Shefali's marks in English would be 30 minus x because sum is 30. So rest of the English mark will be 30 minus x. Shefali got 2 marks more in maths, means what is now present we are taken as a x marks in maths. So 2 marks more means x plus 2. She got 3 marks less in English. Now what is Shefali's marks in English? 30 minus x. 30 minus x, but she got 3 marks less. Mark less means minus 3. 30 minus 3 is a 27 minus x. According to the given condition that her marks 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, their product is 210. So what we will do here? X plus 2, 27 minus x is equal to 210. Here is again you are finding there is a multiplication of a 2 bracket. We will multiply x by second bracket, again plus 2 by second bracket, which is equal to 210. 27 into x is 27x minus x into x is x square plus 2 into 27 means 54 plus into minus is minus 2x is equal to 210 minus x square plus here 27x minus 2x is nothing but 25x plus 54. Now we are getting here the quadratic equation, means right hand side is equal to 0 we want. That's why this 210 we will shift to the left hand side. What we will get? Minus x square plus 25x plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 25x. Now we will do here the subtraction of this number which we got here, minus 156, which is equal to 0. But are you finding the coefficient of x square is minus 1 and we don't want minus 1 is the coefficient. That's why we will multiply this equation, whole equation, by minus 1. Means minus term will become a plus and plus term will become a minus. X square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now here you are finding this is a quadratic equation, means you want minus 25 is a sum and plus 156 is a product. Likewise we have to choose 2 terms. Now product is positive, means we are getting the 2 numbers having same sign. Same sign means here the sum is having a minus, means both the number is having minus term. So x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. Are you finding these are the 4 terms? What we will do here next step? Grouping. X square minus 12x. Here is a minus is a common. 13x. Because of this minus common, this plus will become a minus. 156 is equal to 0. X is a common, x minus 12. Minus 13 is a common, x minus 12, because 13 is 156 is divisible by 13. Minus 12, which is equal to 0. Are you finding x minus 12? X minus 12 is a common. That's we have to take common. And what is rest term? X and minus 13. X minus 13, which is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12, x is equal to 13, and both the numbers are possible. So what we will consider that is the last answer. If Shefali will get 12 marks in maths, then obvious 30 minus 12 means 18 marks in English. Or if she will get 13 marks in a maths, then 17 marks in a English. Now the 6th problem. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Means first of all we have to consider the shorter side. If longer side is a 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Are you finding? In the problem they had given rectangular field. I had drawn here A, B, C, D is a rectangular field. Now what they are saying, that is diagonally 60 meter more than shorter side, means we will consider, let the shorter side be x meter. So what should be the diagonal? Are you finding here? I had taken as a AB is a shorter side, that is x meter. Diagonal of a rectangular field, that is AC, I had joined here because they had said diagonal. So here is a x plus 60. And longer side means BC, we have taken as a x plus 30 because it is more than the shorter side by 30. Now then which method and what relation we will use here? Are you finding A, B and C? This is a right angle triangle and this is a right angle triangle, include shorter side, longer side and diagonal. Means here we can use the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? That is AC square, means diagonal square is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides. Which are the remaining two sides? That is AB square plus BC square. What's the AB? We had considered x square plus x plus 30 whole square, and here is a left hand side is x plus 60 whole square. Are you finding here? We have what we have to use? Identity, that is first x square plus 2 into first term into second term means 120x plus second term square is a 3600 which is equal to x square plus what's the expanded form of these x plus 30 square using first identity, x square plus 2 into first term into second term means 60x plus 30 square is a 900. Now we have to solve this. X square plus 120x plus 3600 which is equal to x square 2x square plus 60x plus 900. Now we will shift these term to the right hand side. Okay, means we want this should be a positive term. So 2x square plus 60x plus 900 we had kept as it is. When these all term that is left hand side will goes to right hand side, it will be a minus x square minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square means 1x square. 60x minus 120 means minus 60x. Plus 900 minus 3600 means minus 2700 is equal to 0. Are you finding? This is a quadratic equation. Again we will split up these we will solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Sum we want minus 60 and product we want 2700 minus 700. Means which two terms we will consider? First of all we will take as a minus 9 plus 3. 9 3s are 27. Is it product is minus 27? Yes. And minus 9 plus 3 means minus 6. And then we will add here the 0 term. So minus 90 plus 30, these are the two terms that minus 60 is going to be a split up. Are you finding? X square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now the four terms are there, means we will do the grouping. X square minus 90x plus, here plus sign is there, therefore the terms sign will not change. 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Here x is a common, x minus 90. Here what is a common? Is it 2700 is divisible by 30? Yes. That's why we have taken out 30 is a common. X minus 3 9s are 27 and 1 0 will be there, which is equal to 0. Here x minus 90 and x minus 90 is a common again. So we will take this is a common. What is left here? X, and what is left here? Plus 30, which is equal to 0. These are the two product of these polynomial, two factors of the polynomial, sorry. So on equating each factor with the 0, x minus 90 is equal to 0 or x plus 30 is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 90 and x is equal to minus 30. But you know very well that is side never be a negative. So we will neglect x is equal to minus 30. Why? Reason we have to give that because side never be negative. So what is we had considered x as a shorter side. So shorter side is equal to 90. So what is the longer side? 90 means x plus 30 means 90 plus 30 means 120 meter. And what is the diagonal? Diagonal x plus 60 means 90 plus 60 which is equal to 150 meter.